Yo, so today I'm gonna go over pretty much this trade that I took this morning. Um, a lot of people were literally kind of confused why I took this trade, and hopefully this kind of clears up. So first we'll start on the 4 hour time frame like we always do. Back out of this, and then cool. So our daily bias was actually bearish. It wasn't bullish. Reason being is because we broke to the downside, literally still from here. We were yet to break to the upside ever so slightly up here. Ever so slightly. So I was bearish mainly because we closed below here. Still from yesterday. Let me just mark that here. And then on the hourly time frame, we were bullish because we broke above this high prior to market open. Right here. But when I was watching this, I seen that cool. We had this hourly imbalance right up in here. We tapped into it, bearish candle out, gave a reaction, kind of went sideways again, and then you'll see when market kind of opened around here, it tapped into it again, this hourly bearish imbalance, alongside this bearish hourly order block. So that was when I was like really 50-50, but I was more leaning towards shorts, and you'll pretty much see why. So we'll market open here, and then we'll do bar replay. So initially I was looking for longs. So I had this low here, and I had marked out the highs here. So we had a high here, and we had a high like right up here. So I really wanted to see a sweep of either side, and our normal confirmations to really go short. So let me just mark these as black real quick. Cool. So we have our liquidity marked out. Waiting for market to open. Boom. It sweeps up for the high. Big ass swoop down, showing good reaction, but it wasn't enough. Because at this point, I was still looking to ideally go for long. So we sweep the low. Then I was literally watching these highs. So we had a high here. And then we had a new high down here. But whilst this is happening, before this has happened, sorry, we broke to the downside. So I was taking into account both of these things, alongside this like 50-minute imbalance, like right here. Should be like, yeah, close enough. Like right here, I was still taking into account that 50-minute imbalance there. Um, but yeah, cool. So remember what I said: our liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep, hourly order block, hourly fair value gap, breaker structure to the downside. But still, I was literally still monitoring highs here. So boom, I'll play it. We break to the upside. We disrespect this fair value gap, disrespect this order block, as you can see. And at that point, I was like, okay, cool. Now I'm open to shorts now, especially because the 50-minute literally was about to candle close down here. Like it was literally about to close bearish. If it wicked it, then I would have been more open to longs, to be honest. But we didn't. We literally looked like we were gonna candle close. So at that point as well, we had a 5-minute breaker structure to the downside. So I was like, yeah, forget longs, so I'm going short. Even though the hourly is bullish, and this again, it's come from experience. Like if you go on my channel, you'll pretty much see me do this. Not all the time, but you'll see me catch entries like this. You look at it and be like, why did he do that? And again, it really kind of goes off experience, of me actually just trading this and taking time to really just understand this. So okay, boom. Now we can draw equilibrium, and we got marked out these two fair value gaps. What do you see here? Breaker structure to the downside, double breaker structure to the downside, showing a clear bearish trend on the lower time frame. So we tap into equilibrium. The doji candle showing indecision, blue candle, then bearish candle. So this is pretty much where I went short. Originally, I wanted my stop like literally above here, but I just didn't get that. And this big ass displacement candle causing another breaker structure led me to believe like, cool, this is one of our protected highs. I don't see price coming up here, here, or here. So I was okay with that stop loss, even though it's kind of risky for me. On the 5-minute, we had a bullish order block, so we can draw out it like this. So I had this 5 minute bullish order block here, but the RR was pretty ass. So what I did was I drew an equilibrium of it. So from this high to low, like so. So that was TP1. TP2 was the low of it. And this is pretty much my last take profit. Wait, no, sorry. This is my last take profit. So here we go. So the things that could have really went against me in this trade is obviously this big ass is imbalance here. So like we could have literally reacted within here, and could have got stopped out. But I was literally just following like higher time frame structure plus like our confidence really just to go short, which were again bearish on the 4 hour time frame. Tap into hourly imbalance. Tap into hourly bearish order block. Liquidity sweep, breaker structure. Another breaker structure. A 5 minute breaker structure to the downside. We go here. Equilibrium. Tap into discount. Bearish coming back out. Like that's literally me all day again, fam. Me all day again. So here, here, and here. I was gonna like try and add my FIPIM MetaTrader thing to this, but I kind of forgot, and we're kind of already deep in this video, so I posted it in the channel's video, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is pretty much how I set up my trade this morning. So boom, we push down, we hit TP1 in literally like less than 10 minutes. Stop his now at break even, hit TP2, TP3, and then literally all out. Again, following bearish market structure, which I've been going over like for a while. Not even just bearish market structure in a whole. Like whenever you see my daily bias, it's literally just market structure, just giving you hints of where price is likely to go to. There was also like a few people that caught the exact same trade as me, which was sick to see as well, because like majority of people were planning to go long, and literally I was as well. It's just that as a trader, you have to know when to switch bias, and you have to know when to say, okay, cool, my idea is wrong here. Let me follow what price is trying to tell me, and that's pretty much what I did today. But yeah, overall winning day. We can see where price is now actually real quick. Yeah, price is just heading lower and lower, which is good to see as well, because like we were really extending to the upside. Like we had like all-time highs all up here, so it's good to see some nice retracements, healthy. But yeah, I did say when the 4 hours bearish, you get a 5 minute breaker structure to the downside. Sells is the way you want to go. That's where higher time frame is literally trying to send price. Like it's likely to send price that way once you see 4 hour and the 5 minute literally aligning. It literally gives you small hints, and all you gotta do is just listen. Not to me, but to literally price itself. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this trade recap. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.